Hello, I'm Maine Realtor Andy Morse. Where am I dragging you today? Well, you can be sure it's a Maine real estate listing. We just looked at one in Amity. A lot of times we've tramped one. It's not quite on the market yet. Got to get a key, looked at the outside. There's cleanups, people are going to move stuff. So stay tuned. There'll be a lot more properties. We upload them as quick as we can. But what are we on the way to? 30 acres of ground. Has frontage on US Route 1. You're in the town of Amity. Also borders a brook on the back end of things. Wraps right around the state garage for the DOT, so it's the first place they plow the road. That makes a difference to some people. Winters aren't that bad. We're not amateurs. We know how to plow snow, and we just don't get that much. Like when I was a little shaver, we got a lot of snow. But not anymore. Somebody's playing with our weather. But anyway, where we're going? We are headed to 823 US Route 1 in Amity. See that red building straight ahead? That's one of the 3 schools that the town of Amity had. We're actually in North Amity. There's South Amity. I know it's not that big, but it was bigger than it is today. Probably about 100 people. We'll put a link to the history of that little school and also the story of Amity. We have community pages on our website that are definitely worth checking out. So we're coming out onto US Route 1. This is kind of like downtown Amity. Here's where you used to go to school. Here's where you pay your taxes. They've got Amity Friendship Day, Community Craft Yard Sale. That's coming up July 19th. That concludes our tour of downtown Amity. Basically, big woodlots, farm operations. Route 1 goes down through it in 6 miles. Next town down, Orion, which is the beginning of East Grand Lake. Lots of waterways that are on the way to Weston, where the $1 Million View is. Land for sale in Maine, 30 acres. This property has 2 single-wide mobile homes. That'd be good if you have a family and want to create a little compound. Stay tuned. See your corner post? This property's all surveyed. See the red paint on the trees? This is the entry to this 30 acres. Here's our gate. We're in off Route 1, which is good. It'll make it quiet. It makes it private. Someone brought the power in. That had to cost some money. Someone brought load after load of gravel. So this property has been developed. If you don't care about the trailers and you want to build a house, you can sell off the trailers, or you live in one while you're building something more substantial, or the trailers are all you need. You decide. Make comments down below how you'd use this property. Here's the little electrical plug for an RV that you could put. Do you have some friends that have pull behind RVs? Or self-contained? This is like a family compound. Can you see it? 14 feet wide. This one's about a 12-foot wide. Both have electric. About 15 by 14 on this living room. See the cathedral ceilings? Not a lot of wasted hall space. Refrigerator, electric stove stays. This is your kitchen. This bedroom on the end's about 14 by 9. See all the built-ins? Here's your built-in bunk, and they thought ahead, about 16 by 12. See how they're studded in for an addition? Here's your stand-up shower, like a Scotty Beam Me Up type. Climb right in. See your addition? This middle bedroom with some built-ins, about 9.5 by 9. Pantry closet where your pump is, kind of a utility closet. Here's your tub. After driving those trails on your ATV, you can soak right there. You've got a hookup for washer dryer. There's a little bathroom started. You have a tub. This is your master bedroom. Just a camp, but sure beats sleeping in your car. It's a great place to live while you're building a house right behind it or beside it. Circuit panel, built-in air conditioner. This is your extra 1971 trailer with a smart siding, used for mostly storage, metal roof. You could make it into one big bunkhouse. Someone updated windows. You've got some sliders. This is the inside of the metal-proof 1971 mobile. It's just used for storage. Small kitchen. You can gut it out, lay it out the way you want, or it's ideal for just a camp or bunkhouse. What would you use this mobile home for? Would you fix it up, sell it off? Make comments down below. Have another stock tank for a tub. They took out the bathroom, started to put a new floor in. If you've never been around construction, sometimes a property that's not finished can scare a person, not someone that's tired of renting and knows how to swing a hammer. Land for sale in northern Maine. Are you looking for Aroostook County real estate? Something with some acreage size but with improvements? This property is value added. Maine land for sale in Amity at 823 US Route 1, Amity, Maine.